Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is June the 6th, 2021, and we are going to talk about Ethereum Classic. It's been a while since we did our last price prediction, which was on May the 17th, 2021. We played the strength at that time, and you can see the market in Ethereum Classic has completely collapsed from that price. So we're going to update you all as to what we're seeing into the market to see if Ethereum Classic is going to have a breakout coming soon. We're going to look at this article because this article tries to insinuate that that is what's going to occur in Ethereum Classic, and we're going to talk about that on our chart and give it to you all the unconfusing way. This is our whole purpose and premise of creating these videos, to show you that you can actually predict prices without being confused. Okay, so if y'all appreciate that, hit the like button, share, and subscribe here to the channel. We're not going to be here to give you a lot of that fear, that FUD, that FOMO, and telling you that every cryptocurrency in this space is going to 100x, go all the way up to $15,000 per coin, and tell you that everything is going to be fine, right? We're going to be more realistic in price, because market, as you can see on this price chart, it goes up and it also goes down. And you need to have someone in your camp, in your corner, letting you all know of when that's going to happen, right? And that's why we're here. So again, if you appreciate it, hit the like button, share, and subscribe. You can also join us on our website, HueFinancial.com, if you want to see all of our other articles or predictions we are creating there too. Okay, so real quick, let's talk about this article though. I really wanted us to speak on this article, show you some things about technical analysis that really does not benefit you. Okay, this article came out right here. Ethereum Classic looks to be forming into a pennant pattern, could see a breakout soon. This was written by Tyler Bundy, June 3rd, 2021. So a pennant pattern is like a technical analysis jargon that people use for TA, technical analysis. Okay, so as I go through this article, I want you to think about, is this really benefiting me? Technical analysis, is it really giving me a heads up as to where the price is going to go? Because if not, why would you use it? We need something that would help us, that would assist us into seeing where price is going to go. Okay, so automatically this article from Benzinga has a chart, and you can see a couple of things going on in this chart. You have a descending line and ascending line, which creates that pattern formation, and you have two other lines. You have a 50-day moving average and a 200-day moving average. Okay, now imagine if Ethereum Classic was to come all the way down to this 200-day moving average, which is in blue, that would literally decrease the value of that currency substantially, right? And you can see here that Tyler writes, Ethereum Classic looks to be forming into what technical traders might call a pennant pattern. Why is it might? From the image that you created on this price chart, it looked like it is a pennant. So why would you write might? Question that. Second bullet, the crypto is trading above both the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. That simply means if price trades above those two moving averages, that the market is bullish, because many technical analysts uses moving averages as support prices to where price can prop itself up there. And as you can see, it's nearly close to that 50-day moving average, right? This indicates in the cryptocurrency is likely bullish. Both of these moving averages are places where the price may find support. See, again, technical analysis doesn't give you any concrete information that you can really base your analysis off of. You already can see it here in these first three bullets. Traders might call a pennant pattern, and then moving averages are places where price may find support. So there's no guarantees. These are the key levels to watch according to Tyler. The pennant pattern looks to be nearing the end of a pattern soon. The pennant pattern happens after the price is condensed between narrowing highs and lows until the price breaks the resistance or support in the pattern and sees a strong move. So literally, you've created this pennant pattern, and you still have no idea as to which one is more likely to occur. Will price break that descending line, or will price break that ascending line? You still have no idea. The move following the break of the pattern may, see again, why are you using technical analysis? It may go either way. So you still have no idea. Many traders think of the penny pattern as bullish, but the pattern may also break out to the downside. Again, these people who use technical analysis have no idea. You're creating something and you're still telling me that the market can go high and low still. So what is the benefit of having this technical analysis when you still can go both ways? We need something that will reduce the outcome of one of those directions. When we see a penny pattern, is it likely that the market will break higher or lower? Because all I got from this article is that it could still go both ways. But he led with the title, could see a breakout soon. When you see a breakout, that word breakout, usually it means the market is going to go higher. Breakout means higher. When you say break down, that means the market is going to go lower. So he's trying to insinuate that Ethereum Classic should break that penny pattern to the upside. But when you read the article, he tells us that it may go either way. And that many penny pattern traders think of them as bullish, but the pattern may break outside to the downside. Bullish technical traders would like to see the crypto break above the resistance in the pattern and see an upwards move. With some consolidation after the potential upwards move, the stock may eventually see further upside movement. This is what he's expecting to see next. And then it goes into nothing else. So again, does that help you? Leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know. So here it is. This is what we're going to talk about in Ethereum Classic. You can see it didn't go the way we expected it to go. We held the market support on our last video around $80, and the market broke that on the 19th. That was a massive indication that Ethereum Classic was no longer going to see higher price. And even since that day, you guys can even tell that the trap was even able to bring the market back up to 80, and we still found rejection. So all in all, Ethereum Classic is still weak, right? I'm here to tell you that. So the market did not give us our expectations. It did not go the way we wanted it to go. So if we were to get out the market now, we'd be down 28%, and it goes that way, right? So we need to try to get those soldiers back from the war and accumulate more of them from the battle. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm simply going to extend out this horizontal line because the market is still showing that area as restriction now. Okay. Next thing I want to show you is the market in Ethereum Classic still in a overall upward trend? And the answer is yes. We are still in the long term seeing Ethereum Classic hold the overall trend, which is higher price, right? So we can still see this market come and hug this ascending line. This would be the best area to come in and purchase Ethereum Classic, right down here that I'm circling. Okay. We would have to see the market grab that area because it's cheaper there and the market is still holding the trend. We need to see that would be the pristine real estate area to come and purchase this currency, right? So we're still in an upward trend overall. So I'm not really too concerned that the market in Ethereum Classic is no longer going to see higher price because this trend still confirms that we're going to, in the long term, see price go higher. So let's break this down though to a smaller time frame to see if the market in Ethereum Classic is still weak, because I'm also seeing how the trap is trying to show us something. He's trying to show us that he wants to prop up price around $60. Now, based off the chart, we're still weak. You remember what I told you earlier, since we have been unable to break price above $80, the market in Ethereum Classic is still weak, and we haven't changed that yet. Our ability to see the market in Ethereum Classic to go high was during this time frame, and we failed. So we are not expecting a breakout to occur in this pennant that Tyler was talking about. What we're seeing is the fact that the market in Ethereum Classic is still weak. So $60 is the first area of support. Based off these time frames, I'm not necessarily expecting the market to hold that price, right? So maybe around $50. Okay, that's where we're going to expect the market to go in Ethereum Classic. So let's do this real quick. Yeah, I'm definitely still seeing the weakness come through into the market in Ethereum Classic. So we're going to run the weakness. So we said that our area of restriction is going to be around $80. Okay. And I'm looking for the market to try to come and hug this area here, $53.50, around that vicinity, and all the way down to 50 ultimately. Okay. That's where we're looking for the market in Ethereum Classic to go. Now you can see that even if the market is to come down towards 50, we're still holding the trend, right? We're still there. So all is not lost in the weakness that we're anticipating to come through in Ethereum Classic. We're just expecting the market to give us a little quick movement to the downside, 53.50. Yeah, around like $54. Make it $54 first, back down to 50. Okay, and that's it. Nothing confusing. We didn't place any moving averages. We didn't create any more technical indicators on the chart. We simply place these lines so you can visually see where the market is acting as support. That's it. So now I want your opinion. Tell me, what do you all think about Ethereum Classic? I mean, where are we headed in the next couple of weeks? Tell me. Drop the comment in the comment section and call the market right alongside with us. This is what we're seeing. Now I want to know, what do you see? Let us know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.